Want to see messages from another phone for safety, recovery, or oversight? Here's how to do it responsibly, step by step. For iPhone users, the easiest method is using iMessage with iCloud. On the target iPhone, go to Settings, Apple ID name, tap iCloud, then toggle on Messages. Make sure the same Apple ID is used on the second device. Open the Messages app on that device. Now, both devices will share the same message history. Tip: set clear family boundaries when sharing Apple IDs. Respect matters. For Android users, here are your options. Option 1. Restore from Google Backup. Use this if you're recovering messages from a phone you've previously used. Factory reset the new phone. During setup, log in with the same Google account. Select the backup with the messages Finish Setup, then open the messaging app. Warning: this wipes the new phone. Back up your data first. Option 2. Use Google Messages on the web. Open the Google Messages app on the original phone. Tap the menu, Messages for Web. Visit messages.google.com/web on a computer. Scan the QR code. You'll now see all active messages in your browser. Note: the phone must stay online. Deleted messages can't be recovered. Option 3. Samsung Cloud for Samsung users. Go to Settings on the Samsung phone. Tap Accounts and Backup. Samsung Cloud toggle on Messages and tap Backup now. Sign in with the same Samsung account on the second phone. Once synced, you'll see the backed up conversations. Want a smarter psychology-informed solution? Try Famicyber. Step 1. Visit Famicyber.com and create an account. Step 2. Choose a plan and follow setup instructions. For Android, install the app with permission. For iPhone, use iCloud access with consent. Step 3. Use the Famicyber dashboard to monitor conversations. It also tracks location, apps, and browser activity, all designed to support digital well-being, not surveillance. Many mobile carriers offer message monitoring tools. Log into your carrier account. AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc. Find the Family Controls section. Enable message visibility if supported. Important: always communicate openly with family members about these tools. Message monitoring should be about protection, not control. Whether you're a parent, employer, or partner, open communication is the key. The right tools help build trust, not break it. For more support, visit Famicyber.com. Protect connection, build trust.